For homeowners seeking fast upgrades, pre-made windows Bethesda deliver a practical path to style, comfort, and value. Residential pre-made windows Bethesda are ideal for home window upgrades Bethesda, especially when paired with affordable pre-made windows Bethesda and insulated windows Bethesda for year-round efficiency. From pre-made windows in Bethesda, Maryland to custom pre-built windows Bethesda, property owners can choose modern window styles Bethesda that match both classic brick colonials and newer townhomes. In neighborhoods near Bethesda Row, Old Georgetown Road, and downtown Bethesda, Maryland, ready-made window installation Bethesda, Maryland helps reduce project timelines while improving curb appeal, interior comfort, and long-term energy performance. Businesses also benefit from commercial pre-made windows Bethesda when efficiency, appearance, and dependable scheduling matter. Commercial window services Bethesda, Maryland support offices, retail storefronts, medical buildings, and mixed-use properties throughout Bethesda Town Center, Woodmont Triangle, and areas close to Wisconsin Avenue Bethesda, Maryland. With turnkey window services Bethesda, a replacement window company can manage window sales and installation Bethesda, window fitting Bethesda, and precise coordination for minimal disruption. For property managers seeking premium window solutions Bethesda, pre-manufactured windows serving Woodmont Triangle Bethesda offer a streamlined option that combines durability, professional installation, and strong visual appeal. Energy savings remain a major reason customers choose energy-efficient windows Bethesda for homes and commercial spaces. Energy-efficient windows in Bethesda, Maryland, including double-pane windows Bethesda and insulated window solutions Bethesda, Maryland, help reduce drafts, improve indoor temperature consistency, and lower heating and cooling costs. Double-pane pre-made windows Bethesda, Maryland are especially popular in older homes throughout North Bethesda, Maryland, Glen Echo near Bethesda, Maryland, and Chevy Chase Bethesda, Maryland. Whether the goal is comfort or sustainability, energy-saving windows close to Westbard Bethesda, Maryland provide practical performance that aligns with today's expectations for efficient living. Style versatility makes custom pre-built windows Bethesda an excellent choice for both renovations and new exterior updates. Casement windows Bethesda create clean lines and excellent ventilation, while sliding windows Bethesda offer easy operation for contemporary layouts. Bay windows Bethesda expand interior light and architectural character, and picture windows Bethesda frame exterior views with minimal visual interruption. For buyers comparing modern pre-made windows in Bethesda Town Center with pre-built vinyl windows Bethesda, Maryland, the advantage is clear: better fit, faster installation, and a broad range of sizes and finishes suited to Bethesda, Maryland homes and businesses. Professional craftsmanship matters, which is why window contractors Bethesda and window installers Bethesda are essential to a successful project. Skilled residential window installers Bethesda, Maryland handle everything from measurements to sealing, ensuring that ready-made window installation Bethesda is completed correctly the first time. For larger or more customized projects, pre-made windows Bethesda experts provide product guidance, code awareness, and dependable installation planning. Property owners looking for window contractors near Wisconsin Avenue Bethesda, Maryland or sliding window contractors Bethesda, Maryland often prioritize local experience, scheduling flexibility, and consistent workmanship for long-lasting performance. Vinyl remains one of the most popular materials because vinyl windows Bethesda combine durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Pre-built vinyl windows Bethesda, Maryland resist moisture, require little upkeep, and work well for both replacement and upgrade projects. When installed by a trusted replacement window company Bethesda, vinyl products can support energy-efficient windows Bethesda and insulated windows Bethesda while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. Homeowners searching for affordable windows near downtown Bethesda, Maryland often select vinyl for its strong value, especially when combined with window replacement services Bethesda and complete window sales and fitting in Montgomery County, Bethesda, Maryland. Older homes in Bethesda frequently need targeted replacement work, making window replacement services Bethesda a high-demand solution. From pre-made windows Bethesda, Maryland to home window replacement in Glen Echo near Bethesda, Maryland, Aging frames and outdated glass can be replaced with pre-manufactured windows Bethesda that improve comfort and appearance. A dependable replacement window company Bethesda can recommend double-pane windows Bethesda, picture windows Bethesda, or casement window installation in Bethesda, Maryland based on layout and energy goals. The result is better insulation, smoother operation, and a cleaner exterior look for established Bethesda properties.